Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video we will learn about the Swiss statement. In this video only we will learn about the basic thing about Swiss statement, the theoretical thing about Swiss statement, and we will see a simple program also about Swiss statement. So in the control statements, I have told that there are two categories. One is selection statement and another is looping statement. In the selection statement, we have seen the all types of if, the all four types of if with the examples also, with the many examples also we have seen. Now we will see the switch case statement. Okay, switch case statement. What is the switch case statement? We will see now. Okay, switch case statement. Here I have written a definition, and here some theoretical concepts I have written. So let's say it. Switch statement is used to perform some task according to the choice of the user. Means switch statement is used to perform sometimes some task. Okay, so whatever the user's choice is there, whatever the user's work is there, what is the user requirement is there, that will perform by the switch statement. Okay, the functionality is very similar to if statement. So whatever the if statement work is there, that is similar to here only. So only is some basic thing we should be changed here. So what is that? When you write the program, now when we see this program, how we have written it, they will understand it. Okay, so what is the switch statement? Switch statement is used to perform some task of the user. Okay, according to the choice of the user. Means the user have many choices. According to that, the switch statement will be work. It is similar to if statements. So in the if statements, we know that if statement condition will be work. If it is correct, then if statement, whatever the if statement is there, that will be displayed. If condition is false, then other else part will be executed. Same thing here only, it will be there. If the switch statement switch condition is matches to the case, then it will be displayed. Otherwise, the default will be displayed. So here switch statement consists of three keywords. One is case, second one is break, so third one is default. I hope you have understood this definition of switch statement. Switch statement is used to perform some task according to the choice of the user. Means user have many choices. According to the choice of user, switch statement will be executed. This switch statement will be performed. Okay, it is similar to the if statement. Okay, so switch statement have three keywords. So one is case, break, and default. So in the case, what will be there to check for the value which has been passed. Means the case keyword, the value which will be checked which has been passed. Means in front of the switch, the value will be passed. So that value will be checked by the case. So that value is matches to the case or not. So this thing will be checked by the case keyword. Okay, in the inside the switch statement, we will pass the value. That value matches to the case statement, so that it will be checked by the case keyword. Okay, we will see in the program, don't worry. So break. So what is this break does? To break the case after the execution of the particular choice. So we have told us the switch statement will be executed according to the choice of the users. So in the switch statement program, so in the program of switch, so we'll write the n number of cases. Okay, so after that case, we will put the break keyword. So after that, if this case one, we will put the n number of case. Okay, if in that one case executed, so then the not after that, whatever the case is there, that will be not executed. For that not execution, we will put the break keyword. Okay, there are now a number of cases in this switch statement. So if that case is matches in one case matches to the if switch statement, then remaining case should not be checked, should not be displayed into this screen. So for that way, for no remaining execution, we will put the break keyword. So don't worry, we will see it in the program, you will better understand there only. So what is default? Default statements which is will be executed when no choice will be matched. Okay, that is in case of invalid choice. So I have told that in the switch statement we will write the n number of case. After that we'll put break keyword. So in any case will be matched. After that we'll put the break keyword, means no further case will be executed. When that case will be displayed, no further case will be displayed. If the all cases is no matches to this switch statement, then the default statement whatever we have written in the double quotes, that will be displayed. For example, we have written invalid choice of the user, that will be displayed. Okay, so let's see in the program so that you will understand better about switch statement. Okay, I have written here program already, so let's see this program so that you will understand better thing. Okay, so obviously to take the input we have to import the scanner class. So the scanner class is present in the util package, so we have imported the util package. In that scanner class only we are inputting, means package means we have already studied these all things. So package means the number of classes. So in that number of classes we are importing only one class, that is scanner. Okay, so for that we have written import java.util.scanner, means in the util package we are importing only the scanner class. Okay, for scanner S is capital. Okay, so class add, so you can put any class name. So according to your program requirements, you can put anything about the class name. Okay, this starts the class, this ends the class. Okay, so here I have written till here to here each and everything is same. Okay, almost each and everything is same till the end of the void main statement. So here each and every void main method and each and everything is same. So let's see here, public static void main string args and brackets. So public is the access specifier, static is the object name, static is the object, void is the return type of the main method, main is the method. In that arguments which we have passed is string type arguments which we have passed, and array type arguments. Array brackets are the also the array arguments. String array type arguments which we have passed in the main method. Okay, and ARGS stands for arguments in the short form. So this brackets you can put here after the ARGS or after the string also, no matter. Okay, so we have declared three variables A, B and C. So you will get to know that why we have declared here ch variable. So obviously to take the input only. So three variables we have declared of integer type, and three of them are separated by the comma operator. So here we have what we have done here, we have created an object. Okay, how? Through scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner, in that parenthesis system.in. Okay, close parenthesis. So for scanner S is capital, for here also scanner S is capital, for system S is capital, string S is capital, here also scanner S is capital. Obviously to print this statement S is capital. Okay, so how we have created the object? In the scanner class, sc is the object which is new in the scanner class. In the this scanner argument is system.in. Okay, so if we have created the object, then through object we can take the input from the user. So I hope you have understood. You can give any name for the object, you can give your name also. So for simple to understand you, I have written here sc. Okay, so I have written so I hope you have understood this line, how to take the input from the user. I have told that this scanner class is present in the util package, that only we have imported it. Through scanner class we have created an object. Okay, system.out.println, this statement is used to print the message as it is, which is written in the double quotes, enter the first number. So this statement will be printed as it is. So a equal to sc dot next int, for here next int I is capital. Okay, parenthesis. So this next int is the method which is present in the scanner class, and this scanner class is present in the util package. Okay, so obviously in the package means number of classes is there, number of classes are there. in that one class we are imported, that is scanner class. So obviously in this scanner class number of methods will be there. In the one method we have been used, that is next int method. Okay, through object sc. So I have told that through scanner class only we have created the object name sc. Okay, through object sc and next int method we have taken the input from the user, and that input is stored in the a variable. Okay, the first input which we have taken from the user, that is stored in the a variable. So we have printed the another statement called enter second number. So similar here also sc dot next int. So here also for next int for each and every time, this is the method name. For I is capital here. Through object sc and next int method we are taking the input from the user, and that input is stored in the b variable. So to here two times we have taken the input from the user. The first input which we have taken from the user, which is of integer type, and that is stored in the a variable. The second input which we have taken from the user, that is integer, that is also integer type, and that is stored in the b variable. Okay, so here we have written a statement for the user understanding easily purpose. So what we have written here, enter your choice. Whatever in the double quotes we have written, that will be printed as it is. Okay, enter your choice. One here here dash is there, after that arrow mark is there. Okay, so to understand it properly. Okay, so one means, so one we have put it add, for two we have put it subtract, for three we have put it for multiply, and four we have put it divide. After that slash n, enter your choice. So what this means, so we are entering the choice. Okay, for one it is add. So here in this case statement, for one we are adding the inputs, whatever we have taken the inputs from the user, which are stored in the a and b variable, that we are adding. So if you press 1, then it will be added. So this is just a statement for to understand, to remember. So what the statement, what the number we are giving in the choice. Okay, so this I will tell it. Okay, don't worry. So if you have pressed 1, then it will be add. So if you press 2, then it will be subtract. So if we press 3, then it will be multiply. So if you press 4, then it will be divide. Okay, so this is just a statement, don't worry. So whatever we have written in the statement, that will be printed as it is. After that we have written slash n. On next line we are entering our choice, means entering one more choice. So we are entering one more input. So we have taken here ch variable, ch equal to sc dot next int. So we are taking the another input from the user through object sc and next int method. We are taking the input from the user, and that input will be stored in the ch variable. Okay, so we have taken 3 times input from the user. One is from one time the value, the input will be stored in the a variable, second time in the b variable, and third time in the ch variable. So now comes the switch statement. So how it works, we will see. Switch, in the parenthesis we have written ch. So in the ch, whatever the value we have taken from the user, that is there. Okay, so whatever the value we have taken from the user, that will be there. So here I have written case. We have told that case is the method, sorry, case is the keyword. Case 1, I have told that we can write the n number of cases. So I have written here 4 cases. You can write according to your program requirements, you can write n number of cases. After that I have written here default keyword, and I have written here also break keyword. Okay, so case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, after that default, and after each of the case statement I have written here break keyword. Okay, so after that if after that when the first case will be executed, then no second case should be executed. So for no second case should be executed. After that it should get out from the switch statement. So for that we have put at the break. So don't worry, we will see it clearly now. So till here we have clearly understood about the about the program. So 3 times we are taking the input, so in A and in B and in C and in CH. Okay, now in that switch we have put it the CH, means the third input which we have put it in the CH. Okay, here what I have written, system.out.println, means in the double quotes whatever we have put in, that will be printed as it is. Same here, only subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, after that, after this also we want to print something else also. After this we want to perform something else also. For that we will put the plus symbol. Same here, we have put it here in the, after that we have put it here in the parenthesis A plus B. After this parenthesis starts of the addition of something we want to do. For this parenthesis starts, this parenthesis ends of that, and this last parenthesis ends of the system.out.println, similar to this all. So for A minus B to perform this, we have, for one parenthesis we have put it open and closed, and the second parenthesis is for this parenthesis. Okay, similar to all this. I hope you have understood this. So this I have told us, this is just a statement to understand it for. So this all things will not, we will see in the output screen, only this thing we will see. So for according to this only we have written it. For to add, here we have written addition. For to subtract, to here we have written a subtract. To multiply, so here we have written a multiply. So here we have written divide, so we have written here divide. So according to this only, according to this statement only, we have written A divided by B. So we have written according to this only. So we should be careful that to what we have written here, that should be written here only. So for example, if in 1 we have written subtract and in 2 we have written add, means something ulta will be happen here. So something ulta will be happen here. Okay, so so suppose if you have, so now don't worry, I will explain it. So I hope till here you have understood this one. So whatever the input has been given in the input has been given in the by the user in the third statement, according to that only it will be performed. Okay, now we'll open the notepad. Here we will understand clearly. So A equal to 2, B equal to 3. So and CH equal to 2. Okay, I hope you are. So the first input which are taken from the user is 2, and the second input is taken from the user is 3. Okay, now we will, for the third input we will give it as 2. So in the CH, so what case matches we have given here 2, means 2 case will be whatever the whatever the action is there, that will be performed, means 2 minus 3. So whatever that will be there, so we will change it, we will change here, so to better understand. So 4 minus 3, so that will be performed. Okay, so you can clearly see here the first variable value we have put it here 4, and the second variable value will be put it as 3. So obviously according to this statement only we have put it here this thing. Okay, so obviously we have put it here CH equal to 2. In the case 2, what you have written here, subtract A minus B, 4 minus 3 equal to 2. Yes, that this will be performed. I hope you have got this. So another we will take it as A equal to 4 only, so no need to write here again. We will perform here 3, so we will perform here 1. Okay, so the A value is 4 and B value is 3. So in the CH we are taking the third input as 1. So in the case 1, whatever it is there, so that will be performed. 4 plus 3 equal to 5, means this will be performed. Okay, suppose I have written here CH the 5. Okay, here the case 5 is there or what? No, means there are no case matches to the switch statement. Okay, what I have told, if the no case matches to the switch statement, obviously the default statement will be executed. What is in the default statement? Invalid choice. I hope you have understood this till now. Whatever the case, if the case did not matches, the here ch have given here 5, which is of third input from the user. Here case no 5 is there, only we have written only 4. So if no case matches, obviously the default statement will be executed. If you have written again 10 also here, obviously there are no case of 10, so obviously then this statement will only print it. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So you can give any input to the user, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, anything you can do according to this statement, according to your case, so that from this only it will be executed. Now we will tell about if we have not written here breaks, so what will happen. So obviously we have given here input as for a and b. So after that, this for ch also we have given the input. So for 3 also we have given input. So here also for a thing that we have not here given here break. So obviously if you obviously this all things will be executed. Okay, then they are okay. Suppose a value we have given here 4, b value we have given 3. So after that we want to perform the first case statement, that is of addition. So after we will see here add. So after that we will press case 1. So this statement will be executed. So after this addition, the loop will not go out of the switch statement. So this opens this switch statement, this close this switch statement. So this is not going outside. After the executing the case 1, it will go on executing case 2 also. After this it will go on executing case 3 also. After that it goes on executing case 4 also. So we want only to perform the case 1 statement only. So for this reason we will put the break statement. So after performing the case 1 statement, the cursor should go out of the switch statement. Okay, so no additional perform task should be added. So for this only for this reason only we will put the break statement. Okay, I hope you have got this. So no need to put the break after the default, because after the default no statement is also there. So if you want, you can put, but it is no use after the break, after the default statement. Okay, so when the first statement is executed, after that we should put the break. So for each case after that we should put the break. Means for if you want to perform only the first statement, that is of addition, the addition will be performed. After that no other case statement should be performed. So for that we should put the break after the addition, after the perform of the case 1 statement. The cursor will go out of the switch statement. So no other task will be performed. So if you didn't put the break statement, then the second case will be also be executed. After that we have been put the break. After that it will go to the out of the switch loop. Okay, so I hope you have understood this one. So let's compile and see the output of the program. So no errors are there. So what I have given here output, so this only given a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c h equal to 1. Sorry. Okay. So for first number we will give it as 4, and second number we will put as 3. Obviously for enter the choice, so I have told you whatever you have put it in the double quotes, that only it will be print here. So in the double quotes, this only I have put it enter your choice, so it will be printed. So I want to perform the first case, so the addition will be performed. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. So whatever in this statement will be printed as it is. Okay, after that we are entering the after seeing this only we are entering the ch value. Okay, this only we had done here. See here, this statement, after seeing this only 1 equal 1 is adds, 2 is subtract. After seeing this only, we have put it here 1 means 1 is add, so 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So like this it is printed. So now we will put the ch equal to 8 means there is no case of 8. So obviously, so what will be should be printed? Invalid choice. So let's see. Here it is asking enter first number. Now we will enter the first number as that only 4 3 4. Now we will enter 8. I told that there is no case of 8, so obviously what will be should be printed? Invalid choice. So let's see one more time. So and we are entering the first number as 4, entering the second number as 3. So now we will subtract the subtract. Okay, so for that we will press 2. Obviously 4 minus 3 is obviously the answer is 1. So in the case 2 is subtraction. So let's see. Sorry. So you can see here in the case 2 here subtraction. After seeing this statement only, we are entering the values. So and we are entering the case value, because whatever this ch is there, that is we have put it in this switch statement. After seeing the case, that only we are after we are putting this, and this case is connected to this ch. All the case is connected to this ch. Okay, so we for the convenient only for we have put it this statement. Okay, to see, to after the seeing only we are putting the values, we are putting the case values. If we have not written this statement, then what will happen? So let's remove this. Let's compile. Successfully compiled. Okay, let's clear this one. So what will happen here? So enter first number 4 3. So you can see here it is not asking, it is the statement is not showing here. We should put here according to the our choice only. So for example 2 I will press here. So obviously 4 minus 3 is 1 answer. So in the case 2 here subtract is there. Okay, we know this. In the case 2 the subtract is there, but we for that to understand we have seen here in the output screen, it is nothing here shown, means no statement is shown. What we want to perform, there is no, it is showing nothing for to show that perfectly. So for this reason we have written this statement. Okay, now we will see it compile and we will again see it. Okay, so from here it is asking enter first number. Now it is 4 3. So here you can clearly see it here. It is asking a perfect statement. So it is very important that you should give a perfect statement. So it will help us to understand what the user want to give the input in the output of the screen. So let's see. Let's say what now we want to multiply. So we will press 3. 4 3s are 12. So so in the case 3, whatever it is there, multiply is there. Obviously we have written here multiply only. So in the case 3 multiplies in the 4, the 4 value is stored in the a variable and 3 is stored in the b variable. So in the ch what in the ch variable what we have given 3. So in the switch 3 is there. So this 3 is executed this statement. I hope you understood this one. So like this it will work. So if you have given in the ch has 8, or a 9 or 10 something, then there is no case statement of 10 and 9 and 8. So for that, invalid statement will be executed. So I hope you have understood this video. So if you have understood this video, if you have enjoyed this video, if you have learned something from video, hit the like button, and the comment section is open for you only. If you have any kind of doubt, means, and hit the like button and press the bell. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon also. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.